Hey, it's Rafael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be checking out a builder here in Port St. Lucie that offers a few different options to buying a new construction home in this market. The home we'll be touring is their largest and highest end model that's going to show off some of their design elements and custom selections. But even if you have a more modest budget or don't want to wait for a custom build, stay with me on this one. I'm going to share with you some more about their different options. And remember, if you want to buy or build a brand new home, you don't have to figure this out and do all the work yourself. Give me a call, shoot me a message, or schedule an appointment, and we can walk through all of your options together. So here we have their largest floor plan, which is going to give you 4 bedrooms and a den that can be converted into a 5th bedroom, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and over 2,800 square feet under air. As you probably noticed, this model has an oversized covered entryway and wood-stained garage doors that really lend themselves to the grand appearance of this home. When you come inside, you really experience all of the custom selections that were chosen. There's a beautiful example of a gourmet kitchen, a massive island, wall ovens and a ventilation hood, and higher level cabinetry. Not to mention the brick fireplace and built-in storage in the central great room. And this is a split floor plan with the master suite and bar on one side of the home and the other bedrooms and cabana bath on the other side. This home really has so much to offer and is a luxurious example of what this builder can do. And in case I haven't mentioned it yet, you can even build these custom homes in Palm Beach County. But what if you're looking for something more modest and affordable? Or you just don't want to wait a year to move in? Well, you've got a couple options in Port St. Lucie. For less than the base price of this home, and that's before the lot or any upgrades, they have quick delivery homes with impact glass, granite countertops, and some other upgraded features, and the lot is included. So that's already an incredible opportunity, but if you wanted something even more cost efficient, they have some great entry-level homes with the lot included. One of their floor plans even has a double master suite, which is a great option if you have a multi-generational household or if you're a caregiver. So if any of these options stood out to you or you want to explore other home buying options, make sure you reach out to me so that I can help you. Again, my name is Rafael Gonzalez, and I'm a real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast that can help you whether you need to buy, sell, or build your home here in South Florida. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. So hopefully you enjoyed that beautiful model by one of our local builders, but this is just giving you a small catalog of what's available here on the Treasure Coast. As always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about our communities or our builders, or if you're looking to get into this area and want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give out a ton of information that's going to help you make your decision about living on the Treasure Coast. And I'd love to help you with anything you like to do here in our market.